That was a decider, actually.
That was a decider.
That was a decider.
And that is where people were supposed to be told about ukuthi i-Electoral Commission, IEC umsebenzi wawo yini.
Yes.
I-Electoral Act yini. Bese ukuthi i-Electoral Court yini. And why isizathu esithathwe e-Electoral Court ungekwazi usicontesta kwabanye ama-court ngoba i-Electoral Court iyona mphela ndaba wey'ndaba zama-election. Uma i-case ibichithiwe la should ngabe gama umkhondo kunjani buzovalwa kuphela ngomkhondo.
Bese
Bese now you can't take that milestone victory, that monumental moment in the party nizokhuluma ngamadimoni. Amla kinhlelo phana ngilalela ngithi mntwana. Inkinga wena kwethu ngasona inkinga network manje ngithi ngiyangena lo ngikhatheka should nje ngagcina nami sengikhuluma sengibreak avele ngayiye ngathi let me just leave this nonsense. But is this ngathini? Awana fuze uma ulithanda iqembu lezepolitiki awufunde ukufunda ukuthi okay sikuphi eSouth Africa njengamanje. Yabona? ESouth Africa njengamanje uthi umnotho udlondlobele. Kodwa abasebenzi bayadingiswa. Okay. Umnotho udlondlobele. Toyota sebenza ama short time. Ilove sebenza ama short time. Inkampani ngiyisebenza ama short time. Kunomagama abantu abaholi imali njani ekade beyihola. Kunamthelela muni lokho enhlalweni yabantu family structure. And the family structure mangabe ingasasupporteki kunamthelela muni kephi emphakathini.
Yeah.
From emphakathini phela muni esizweni sonkana. Now as umkhondo singakulungisa kanjani lokho? These are the things people should be discussing ukuthi as umkhondo mina I think ukuthi mhlambe fana umkhondo uqambe inyana yayo. Yabona? Sibonele.
Yeah. Njengoba sebe create I think seyikhona a teachers union. Yes.
Bithi mina umkhondo awu create inyana. But umkhondo mo create inyana awenze sure ukuthi i-mandate ayifocus kuma blue collar workers because there's a problem eshayo khosadi nonehawe. Their focus is on blue collar workers. Baningi abantu abalapha phezulu abako IT who don't have unions. Abanenkinga abadinga nazo banakekele. Baningi abantu abaka finance, baningi abantu abaka legal, baningi abantu konke lezi ndawo lezi ama sectors which are running the economy. But abekho union representation khona. Now you then have to say ukuthi ama bargaining powers ale union azospana kanjani. Okay, shuma kabathina akumele sibe union ebhekene ne sector yodwa. So bane union nje ukuthi if ukuthi sine conglomeration njengokhosathu fine so kwenza ukulela ngoqo but bese kusithi which sectors are we going to identify and establish unions in them and use the people that are there ukuthi babe khona. And you need to offer tangible things to those people. One of the things ebalekile we union is abantu babe ne legal representation because it's all fine and well ukuthi shop steward handle case emsebenzini. Case mase you need to make sure ukuthi you offer the right lokuza. What has been happening is ukuthi inyunyana lezi ezinkulu ngoba ziyafumba le nto esho lomthikela phana eGoli ethi nathula khosathu kudilizwa abasebenzi esibanye still water mine. Uphulo umsindene nobanga kanti. And is asking a real question because inyunyana selele in the same bed nomqashi so ngeke ikwazi ukuthi isukume ithi umqashi uyabheka. The same thing nge-animal farm. The day ingulube zange nezahlala endlini yomlungu kwathiwa two-legged bird, four-legged goat. Kwasethiwa but umuhlala endlini ungahamba ngey'nselo zombili. So you need to look at union. Union bese deal nanokuthi okay fine. You can't have a union without labor force. So how does umkhondo create employment so that union is over nabasebenzi who belong? Because if you create employment and the people know what umkhondo create the employment, then people are going to belong there. So now you need to find a way to say fine. Sinenkinga lapha nama-nurses ayashort. What if sibheka ama-colleges amadala arenovethwe siwenze i-nursing college umkhondo kubo wona orana ne-project efana naleyo? let's say for argument's sake mhlambe ama-colleges each province, right, kwazi ukuthi lama-colleges lawo ama-project omkhonto ukuthi ku-train onesi, kwazi ukuthi hayi amalokuzana ama-college omkhonto utrainwa abantu bakalokuzana baka-IT, ama-college omkhonto ngamagama. You creating workforce, and then the very same business people bakumkhonto are going to create job opportunities for these people. Now in that regard, you are creating
job opportunity.
You are creating business opportunities.
Yes.
But under the guise of in union. Yes, in union, you only own a lot of business. But no, these businesses are owned by the union, because you don't want in union basic sasa city amaholo besiti ngiyotele utelega ngoba makufema belonga kwena. Una increase imali ngoba sivumeleke imali for increase. Because at the end of the day, the reason why i-bargaining power yama union ingasasebenzi ingoba bathengeka kalula, abanama asset. Now if union ayingenama asset, let's say urenta i-building ku Mr. Cooke Mall, that's where your headquarters are at. You don't own the building.
Yeah.
Bese wena uthi ka property management ama-estate agents aqhashazwa wara athi lokhuzana bazalwane ayikabi ngifuna ukwenza ama-renovation e-building lami, ngicela ngithole enye alternative place to host your business. Sezothiwa nahlale phansi isiqoke yini inkinga manje, hayi noma ndoda lento niyenza ngiyithanda phela mina ngikule industry, so manenza kanje sho man affect i-business model yami. Hayi ndoda phela singakhuluma nathi ngamadoda ukuthi uthini, bese qhamuka la plastic abame besho uyile madisha basemabhuthini qhamuke bona hawu sekulungile sekwathi basebenza hayi qina umsebenzi ipelithayo emakhombe no asiyeke le ndaba uyaphela le ndaba ama-labor broker kwakhona ama-labor broker kafana vula ama-labor broker ayengeke avula ama-labor broker la e-CCI i-shareholder la shareholder ingane kaMandela, futhi nohlanga lomhlabathi alikhonjwa nayo ukuthi ngathi lunama-shares. Yebo. So why would you end the labor brokerage if ukuthi abantu okuyibona fanele babathi labor brokerage ayiphele bayabenefita kuyona? I-CCI is a scam baba Xokani. CCI nama-contract e-Australia, ama-contract e-UK, ama-contract all over the world. CCI i-average yemali eholwa umsebenzi wase-CCI is 3,000 rand. You mean to tell me ukuthi when you're doing business in the UK, which means you're getting paid in pounds?
Yes.
Mina wayengakhokelwa in pounds rate yami.
No, you belong here in South Africa.
When now you belong here, but when you are charging in pounds. Again, when as a business you're charging in pounds.
Yeah.
Okay, so mausu shy rate yami ake ngithi mina bengihlale UK ngisenzele ngapha bezohola malini according to rate yase UK.
Yes. You are going to earn in pounds.
Okay, I was going to earn in pounds. Tell me now in pounds malini mali fanele earn. You see, this is why actually ukuthi ama-political parties zethu awana nqobela phambili ngoba they are afraid to ask the tough questions ukuthi siyayizi into enishoyo nithi akuze lezi inkukhu. Okay, lezi esinazo so zenze njani?
But I think that was in 2016, when we were by America. Exporter bona inkukhu si receiver ngapha.
Yeah.
Rainbow by that time, I remember very well ukuthi waba forced ukuthi our retreat.
Shut down lapho Rainbow.
Yes.
But there was a flooding of cheap chickens into the market. Therefore, women compare inkukhu yaka Rainbow naleya.
Yes, the price was not the same.
The price ayifani.
Yes.
So mina ngizothatha iphi
the cheap one.
But the fact is ukuthi bengu afford vele u Rainbow. Zona kube nga afford ukuthi ngithole i-alternative e-cheaper. Now uma ke bethu manje u Rainbow lapha uselabanqini operation amancane sebenza amagizadi neinhliziyo nayo yonke lento le. Yabona mapholoba umkhondo nje usanomqhanzi umkhondo. If people think ukuthi 2/3 majority is just gonna mean nothing to people they don't understand. Bazovukelwa at the very same people abathi abalwela. Now, ake sibheke nje indaba employment, sibheke indaba housing. I-housing sinenkinga yokuthi la ngakini ethawini kodwa ayele ngakini le mawuya ngakithi uyangasebeshumati.
Okay.
Mawudlula la angithi awubona umakho
Stone.
Ungafika eStone. Hlehla kancane thoyile leTonville.
Yes, Tonville yaya.
Uzolothola lemizi lapha yonke izodilizwa.
Abengakezwe.
Lemizi lapha yonke izodilizwa, 2 million zomhlaba uthe abantu badayise indawo ngokungekho emthethweni.
Yo,
Umnikazi wani
womhlaba.
Can you just tell me, Skoga njengabantu abayihlalele, uma ucabanga bona, uma usuka lapha erobotini laseSpa,